Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up BLOXSTRAP. It is a very easy and simple step. So let's get started. I hope you already download the BLOXSTRAP. First, go to Chrome browser and you can see BLOXSTRAP. Click this, scroll down and you can see BLOXSTRAP. Scroll down and download. I already downloaded this app. So I go to location. So click the BLOXSTRAP. Click the show game activity is always on. Now allow activity joining and go to modes. First, close this one. Then click the fast flag. This is the useful part. First, you can set your frame rate. So I choose 140. Then scroll down and prefer lighting technology. Choose by a game. Now click. This is the great option. I suggest you to turn this on. Keep watching to see what it does. This is a very simple and easy step to install and set up BLOXSTRAP. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.